In this video, I'll be covering this super clean white flash transition that I use in almost every single one of my videos because it's so damn clean and aesthetic. Plus, it's super easy to create inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. But really quick, my name is Torsten Roscoe and I create digital assets for content creators exactly like you. They're literally made for you. They're designed to quickly create high quality reels just like this in a matter of just a few clicks using all my editing packs and presets. I'll leave those down all in the link in the description, and let's get right into this tutorial. And now I'm inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, and this is what it looks like with the white flash transitions on my Instagram reel. Like, it just, dude, it looks so freaking clean. Here is it one more time. Just boom, boom, and boom. It looks so much better rather than just regular cuts just like this. Like, not nearly as good as this right here. So let me show you how I did this in just a few simple clicks using Adobe Premiere Pro's effects. First of all, I'm gonna get rid of these, duh. Then I want you to make an adjustment layer. You can just come down here and hit adjustment layer and then hit okay. But just grab this, come over here. Mine's gonna be long, that's completely fine. Just cut it to like the length like this. It doesn't have to be extremely large or small. I'm actually gonna just like make it like that. And now I want you to find the two clips that you are going to be transitioning from. So you can clearly see that this blue one is all of these clips over here just like this, and then it transitions to this clip right here. So this is all the purple is this clip, and then all this blue is this clip. Now I'm going to make the transition right when these two switch. So this right here in the middle, as you can see. I'm going to search up one single effect. That's why I love this freaking effect so much, because it's just one easy effect inside of Premiere Pro. And that is the VR glow effect. It's gonna be right here. Drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Now here's when it gets spicy. You first want to uncheck this, or not uncheck, but decrease this luma threshold to 0. You can actually see right now it's grabbing this crate, which actually looks pretty sick. But if I turn it off, you can see it's gone. Now if I turn it on, it's there. So this little luma threshold basically just makes it so then there's a threshold, so it needs to grab the highlights / it only grabs whites. So if you turn that up, it's only gonna affect the whites. So when we try to make this flash transition, it won't work as long as you make sure that this luma threshold is at absolute 0. So make sure it's at 0. Now it's grabbing this entire image, as you can see right now. It's pretty bright, but let's fix this now. So I'm gonna go just like a few frames. I would actually say like a couple. I don't know exactly. You're gonna be messing with this to see how you like it and the timing and everything. It's not gonna be perfect the first time. That's totally fine. Go into the glow brightness. I want you to first put it at 0. So now it just looks plain. Then toggle the brightness. So it starts at 0. And then let's just go like a few frames forward. I would say 2 or 3 of them. And let's put it at like 1. So we're going to kind of make the flash transition. First of all, come up, so it's kind of anticipating that it's happening. So this flash is not gonna be too bright, but it's gonna be just a nice little subtle one, like I said, so it adds anticipation. So I'm gonna put mine at about 0.4 and then we'll mess with it later. Then I'm gonna go a few frames forward, probably 3 or 4 again. And then I'm gonna put it to 0. So now it has this kind of anticipation right here. You can kind of see it just like subtly flickers. And then what I want you to do is now make another keyframe, and then this is where the flash transition is gonna happen. You can see it actually landed perfectly on where I want it to land, which is right here when the two clips from blue to purple or whatever color you say that. I might be colorblind, guys. Now, I want you to just crank the shit out of this. Well, not too much where it like gives us, you know, you're gonna be killing some people. I'm gonna probably put this around, I think 4. Probably 4, or I mean, that's pretty bright. Maybe even 2.4. Then transition is gonna happen. So it's gonna go anticipation, then it's gonna go 0, and then it's gonna boom, happen, flash transition. And then you can go like 1, 2, 3 frames forward, put it to 0, and now we have a flash transition. Let me render it quick, and then I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So now we look like this. Ooh, dude, I nailed it. I nailed it the first time. I don't even think I'm gonna mess with it. That's clean. We can make it a little smoother by just highlighting these all and hit ease in, or you can use continuous Bezier. And now when I render this again really quick, I got some moves, guys. And then boom, it looks super clean like that. Now you can just simply duplicate that by just like coming over here And now we can just find where this starts. So like you can see right now, this flash that I have, it's not perfectly on here. So all you have to do is highlight this and then just match it to that keyframe. Or what I like to do, a little trick of when I'm doing a crap ton of these, I just like to click on the adjustment layer. So make sure you're on the adjustment layer and then mark it. So all the adjustment layers now are gonna have this mark. So now when you duplicate this, and let's say I'm going to transition this, let me blow it up for you guys. I'm gonna be transitioning this from this tan to this yellow. Now I can just match it up with this mark. And now when I come into here, you can see when I, come on computer. Oh my, there we go. You can see it's already perfectly and there. So now we get these clean 3 aesthetics in just a matter of a simple few clicks. So boom, boom, and boom. Dude, that is so fucking clean. Now let's say you don't want to do this each and every single time. I totally understand that. Now you can just save this as a preset, which I totally recommend you guys doing by just coming up to the VR Glow, right clicking, hit save preset, and now boom, you have this preset. You can name it whatever you want. And then I'll show you what mine looks like. So if I just get rid of all these VR glows really quick, I'll actually just put it onto this one right here. My white flash transition that I have inside of my all pack, you can see right here, it's my white flash transition. I just add it, and then I find exactly where I want to cut. So for instance, right here, I drag this, and then we can reposition this marker. We can reposition this marker super quick, just like so. Duplicate this, add this one right here, and then here. And now in just less than a few clicks, we have this super clean white flash transition. Like boom, boom, and boom. That was 20 times easier just by using the preset inside of my all pack. And when you guys grab the all pack, you actually get all these animations. So you get all of this shine effect, you get all this animation, that animation, everything you see on screen right now, you get inside of the all pack. Plus, I brought in a course that teaches you exactly all of my editing systems, my short form keyboard, shortcuts, each and every single thing that allows me to edit high quality reels just like this in a matter of just a few minutes, when it used to take me seriously like a full fucking day to edit these type of videos. Now I don't have to do that anymore, all because of these editing systems I teach inside of that course when you grab the all pack bundle. And I totally recommend it for each and every single person that is looking to create high quality reels super fast, so then you are not stuck at your desk all day, or you can even acquire more clients, which is absolutely insane, man. You can get more clients, which, hey, who doesn't like more money? I'll leave that down in the link in the description. It's a no-brainer for each and every single person. I recommend it. And if you want to learn how I use the all pack bundle to edit this exact same reel that we just added these flash transitions in, go click this video right over here. It's a full masterclass on how you can create this reel super quick, very short amount of time, actually in just a few clicks, honestly. And before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It is super supportive to the channel. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!